There's a wonderful choice of 5 wheels available to the Woodturner, 2 stone and 3 diamond. Let's go through them. The standard stone is wonderful for all of your everyday sharpening needs. You may wish to upgrade from that to the black silicon stone, a little harder, so slightly slower wearing, great for high-speed steel tools, and you can even touch up your carbide with this one. I also use it for sharpening my drill bits. Moving to the diamond wheels, we have a 360 grit, which is more coarse, therefore we would rough or reshape a tool with this before final sharpening. Then for sharpening, the 600 and also the really fine 1200 grit. Also notice that we have now a complete wall to sharpen on the side of these wheels, a huge advantage for some tools. This is incorporated with the MB100, which allows us to get a tool and using existing jigs to work on the side of that wheel. Finishing off with this wonderful component here, which is a fluid called the ACC 150, and this is an anti-corrosion fluid which stops rust particles forming on any of the wheels when we use them. All in all, a great range. Okay, once we've prepared the machine by grading and truing the stone, we're now ready to proceed and sharpen some tools.